Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss about type conversion and casting. In Java, we have two types of conversion. One is automatic type conversion and another is explicit conversion. Automatic type conversion happens when both types are compatible and destination type is larger than source type. For example, if we declare a variable byte b equal to 8, then we declare another variable I which is of integer type, and we try to assign b into I. In this case it will work because it met the both conditions, right? Both are compatible type, and I the destination type is which is larger than the source type. But if we try to declare a variable j and assign value 10, and if we try to assign j into b, that is we are trying to assign a integer variable value into byte variable. In this case, what happen is we have to explicitly cast it, otherwise it will not work. We will get compilation error. Let us see a code sample for this. So let us create a class type conversion demo, and we need public static void main, so we will check this checkbox. Now we got a course skeleton. So now what we do, let us declare a byte variable byte b equal to 8. Then okay, then let us declare a variable int I. Then we assign b into I, so this will work. But if we try to declare another variable, integer variable j, and assign a value 10 to it, then let us try to assign this j variable j to I. So in this case what we are doing is we are trying to assign a integer value into the byte variable. So in this case it will not work. We are getting compilation error. See, type mismatch, cannot convert from into byte. So if this is a requirement, then what we can do, we can explicitly cast it. So how to cast it explicitly? B equal to byte and j. So in this case, explicitly we are converting the integer variable value to byte value. Okay. So this is the example for automatic type conversion and casting.